What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a new Rack Media tutorials here with Dino Redwell. In today's video I'll be showing you how to activate the anti-hijack or auto-locking feature in Ford cars. Welcome back. So first of all, you need to turn on the ignition.
www.rackmedia.com.
Next, press the central lock button on the dashboard 3 times. Turn the ignition off and again press the button 3 times. Turn the ignition back on and you will hear a short beep. This means that you are now in programming mode. Now each short press of the button will toggle the auto locking feature and each long press will toggle auto unlocking feature. When you are done, turn the ignition off. A short horn will confirm that you are now exiting the programming mode on the car system. Hope that was helpful. Till next tutorial, peace be with you. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, do consider sharing it. Click on the like button and go ahead and leave us a comment below. We'd love to hear from you, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and the notifications to get the latest tutorials that will inspire, empower and connect you.
www.rackmedia.com.
Bye for now, see you next video.